Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate the credit card of Tesco Bank. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Tesco Bank. Once you search for Tesco Bank like this I'm doing, what you want to do is click on the first link where it says Tesco Bank. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Tesco Bank. Over here, click on where it says login. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login page of Tesco Bank. What you want to do is after logging into your account, there should be a credit card option at the top. Once you click on the credit card option or the cards option, you can see the activate option. Once you click on the activate option and enter a credit card detail, like its expiration date, its 16-digit number, its PIN code, it should be activated. But first you have to log in into your account from over here, alright? And the steps will be, easy from there. So that's how you guys can activate the Tesco Bank's credit card. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.